Potential. It's easy to look around the world and have doubts about our future. The preoccupation with selfies, the obsession with social media, the concerns about the next generation.
I have yet to give a speech or have a meeting where somebody doesn't ask me the millennial question.
What's the millennial question?
Apparently, millennials as a generation, which is a group of people who were born approximately 1984 and after, are tough to manage. And they're accused of being entitled and narcissistic and self-interested, unfocused, lazy.
Recently, my son Tyler and I took a trip to New York, Bard College, for an event that neither of us had ever been to or had any experience with. Let me give you some background. When my son Tyler was young, I was talking 4th or 5th grade, he developed an interest in Rubik's Cube. He learned how to solve it, which was impressive to me as I have never once solved Rubik's Cube. Over time, he kept solving it and now enjoys solving it for fun at home. Well, we both watch a lot of YouTube. On YouTube, he discovered that around the world there are people who share his fascination with Rubik's Cube. So I encouraged him to enter a Rubik's Cube contest where we could experience what we had seen online. Well, we found one that worked for both of our schedules and made our way to New York. At Bard College, June 10th, 2017, the Hudson Valley Cubing Contest, an event officially sponsored by the World Cube Association. Tyler is now 16. He's young. Well, we enter the competition room, and this is what we see.
Report to scrambling table number 2.
This is wild.
We're about to
These kids are really young. I'd bet the average age is 15, maybe 14 years old. But the passion and love of cubing was obvious in these kids.
The cafe in the campus center is open until 2 only.
Look at this guy.
They all shared the enthusiasm, the unbridled joy of solving the cube. And watching them perfect this craft was amazing. The brain power, the joy that they all had for Rubik's Cube was inspiring. Every one of these kids at the competition had followed the same path to this event that Tyler had. They had invested their time at home working to perfect their ability to solve a puzzle as fast as they could using their own creativity and imagination. These kids were fast, I mean blazing fast at solving the cube, 3x3 and 4x4. Tyler Tyler did his best, but did not make it to the second round of the tournament.
That was a good one.
My best one. Saved the best for last. 1623.
When I asked him if he would like to do this again, he said without reservation, yes. Once our time at the competition was over, we had a little time to explore New York City. We had a great time. What impressed me the most about the experience was the raw human potential, the brain power of these kids. Make no mistake, these kids are nerds. But like it or not, nerds will and do rule the world. These kids represent the future. And with the talent that they displayed, I'm confident that the future is and will be in good hands.